Hi, welcome to Candi Entertains. Today we have my girl Dee here from BonAppéDee food blog, and she's doing a brunch takeover. So, what are we making?
We are making mini egg cups for your for my brunch takeover and for like entertaining.
All right.
This will allow you to have a variety of different type eggs.
Ooh, I like that.
For your guests.
Lots of toppings here. It's exciting.
Yes. So we're going to start by, you can butter a little bit the muffin tins.
Okay.
With a little bit of butter.
All right.
And then you're going to use a little bit of breadcrumbs for the bottom.
Oh, okay. So is the butter for flavor or more so for non-sticking?
The butter is mainly for the breadcrumbs to stick to.
Okay, all right.
So you're gonna put a little bit of breadcrumbs at the bottom. While
Nice.
you do that, I'm gonna crack these eggs in here to make us a egg mixture.
All right. And so we're doing 12 eggs for each.
Yes, you can do, yes and no. You don't have to do 2 eggs, but you wanna have enough egg.
Okay.
So we're just gonna crack them, scramble it, and use it for our cups. And then we're gonna put our ingredients inside.
Ooh.
Yes.
So I know that you have a food blog. What made you start a food blog?
Well, actually, I always enjoyed cooking, even when I was like younger. When I was younger, I really enjoyed it. It just kind of became more of a blog when I said, you know what, I really want to showcase what I'm doing because I was self-taught.
Okay.
So I kind of learned everything backwards by making mistakes.
Right.
So for my followers, I typically want to show them that you can cook good food too well, even when you make mistakes.
Yeah.
So
it's a lot of trial and error
Yes.
when it comes to cooking.
And you
That's
learn a
the
lot.
beauty of it.
you learn a lot from it.
Cool.
So I'm just gonna crack all of these, which should be more than enough eggs.
All right.
And then we're gonna whisk this.
Okay.
So
You want me to whisk?
yes, you can
All right.
whisk. Perfect. Rid of this.
Do a little switcheroo.
Yes.
So we're whisking. Now, does it matter how many times we whisk? Are we just whisking to kind of break the yolk?
Well, I was told that the proper whisking number is 80.
80.
I know it's a lot.
All right.
80, that's like a workout.
It's short.
That is a serious workout. But that's what I was told. But we don't have to do all of that.
All right.
So while you whisk, I'm going to take some of the breadcrumbs. It's okay. Take some breadcrumbs, and you're just gonna coat the bottom just a tiny bit.
Okay.
Just
that
like
to
this.
Just bring a little texture.
There's a little texture, yep. A little
All right.
texture. And these breadcrumbs actually are like garlic with a little bit of
Seasoned.
cheese. Yes.
Okay.
So these are seasoned breadcrumbs.
Do you ever make your own?
No, because you know what? I don't buy bread that often.
Okay. Same.
So I just go get the store-bought bread.
I love
breadcrumbs. So it's just want a little bit just to coat the bottom. So we're gonna add this heavy cream in here.
All right.
And yes, you can add all of it. And then whisk it.
I didn't even ask.
It's all right. It's all right. It's egg mixture.
Okay.
And then salt and pepper. Just gonna kind of get the base.
Seasoning.
Just a lot of eggs in here.
So what kind of toppings are we making?
So we have, so with this egg tin, you can kind of do so many. So we're gonna do 4 different types, and you can mix and match. You can use mushrooms, spinach. The chives can go on top or inside.
Okay.
This is sun-dried tomatoes.
Love it.
A little bit of red peppers.
Okay.
Lox smoked salmon, and then you have your cheeses. So this is like a mixed Parmesan and I think Asiago cheese, which is a little bit more of a dense taste. It's more like a dense taste, but also it's very pungent.
Okay.
You know, Parmesan can be very pungent.
Yes.
This is smoked Gouda.
Oh,
I think we have a little bit of this Parmesan. Did we get some mozzarella?
I thought this was
the mix. Yeah, mixed Swiss. Yeah, that's Swiss.
Okay.
That's the smoked Gouda, and then that's the Parmesan.
Swiss and Gruyere.
Swiss and Gruyere, yes.
Oh, this
So,
is
yeah.
gonna be fun.
So we can start, and with this, you can kind of tailor your egg cups to match your guest palate. So we can start out.
So we're doing the egg mixture
Yes,
first?
you can pour the egg mixture in.
Is it halfway or?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
So do halfway, start halfway.
All right.
And then, yeah.
Ooh, that's so nice. And then when we put our filling or toppings in.
And you can put your topping in before too.
Okay.
So let's do those halfway, and then we're gonna keep these empty and add our toppings and then add the rest.
Okay.
And then on this side, I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna put this at the bottom here, a little bit of lox. So we're gonna add the mixture in here.
Okay.
Put that there. And you can kind of like lox and chives.
And I think lox it's such a elegant.
Yes, I love my favorite eggs that I scramble usually consist of chives, goat cheese, and lox.
Ooh,
in my eggs. That's it.
I love goat cheese.
Oh,
That
if you
sounds
should put,
really
you should
good.
definitely add goat cheese to your eggs. It'll take you. It'll make it.
I've ever had goat cheese in my eggs.
You should start to add it because it's creamy.
Wow.
So what do you want to do our last one? Should we do like all of them? Except we can leave the lox out, maybe everything else.
Yeah, just do a nice little
Okay.
mixture. I definitely want some sun-dried tomato.
Okay, so we can just do everything except the lox since we have one.
Okay.
That's our acquired taste. So
Yes.
put some spinach in here. Then in this one. Then I guess if you want to help me, you can kind of do this together. You can start putting the other
Ingredients.
Yeah. You can kind of like
This is so
sun-dried.
fun too because everyone has their preferences.
Yeah.
And people can actually like make it how they want it. You know, it's like an omelet station.
And then look how quick it is to make everything all at once. Then clean the pan, doing another one. You know, just put everything in here.
Are we gonna save the chives for the end?
Yeah, we can save the chives for the end for this one.
For garnish.
Yep, for garnish. And then
What kind of cheese should we do?
we can do whichever ones you want.
I love the Gruyere.
Okay.
That's my favorite with egg.
Let's use all the spinach since there's only a little bit left. Okay, so you like Gruyere cheese. Okay. You like pungent cheese. You like cow in your face cheese. Okay.
I do.
And then you can add the egg mixture to the rest of the cups.
So do you know what I love about this? This is like keto friendly and Whole30.
Oh,
So many like diets people are on, but you know, it's just egg, your vegetables, and it's fabulous. This is such a cool dish. I can't wait to make this next week.
Yay! So this is actually a good dish to make during the week when you want to take your breakfast to work and not spend money.
It's like meal prep.
Yes, meal prep.
that.
So I'm not a big meal prep fan because I feel like all the meal prep food that everyone make is the same for 5 days, and I don't want to eat the same thing for 5 days.
Right.
So this way you have variety.
Yes.
So think this is 4 days. That last day, Friday, if you go to work,
Treat yourself.
you can treat yourself. That's the
all
weekend.
that.
I consider Friday weekend, although you go to work. So yes, you can do that. And lastly, what we're going to do is just top off with salt and a little bit of pepper if you want. So you can go ahead and just sprinkle.
Just a little salt.
Yeah, a little bit of salt. So I know that we sauteed the mushrooms and we sauteed, you know, the peppers and the spinach. But just add a little bit of salt because I think we don't have much salt in here.
No, we didn't put much salt.
So I would say do a little bit now and then maybe just a tiny bit too once it's cooked.
Yep.
So I'm gonna add just a little bit of pepper in here, because this is our lox one. So
salt.
Yes.
So fun. Okay, so what temperature do we bake this on?
You can bake this at 350, 375, 15 minutes. You may not need the full 15 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
That's quick, guys.
It's gonna be really, really quick.
Oh, I'm excited. All right, we're gonna get this into the oven and we will be right back. So we just took our egg cups out of the oven and we let them cool for about 5 minutes. So what's next?
So we're gonna take them out. We can plate them if you're having a party or entertaining. And then we're gonna sprinkle this like a little bit of garnish of the remainder chives and just a little bit of salt. You can use I prefer to use, if you're gonna use salt, maybe a little bit of kosher salt or Himalayan.
Why kosher
because
salt?
it's mild.
Okay.
But kosher salt is a little bit coarse, so just it's literally a pinch.
Okay.
So just a little pinch.
Just a pinch of kosher salt.
And then I can just add some chives while you do that.
Super cute.
Yes.
I love it.
Look at this. Just the colors.
Yes.
It's bright. It makes you want to eat it and try it.
This is perfect for a party.
Yes.
And
So you
can
grab one.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab one.
All right.
And you're gonna try it.
Yes, yes.
So you got the mushroom.
Yes.
I think I got the lost one. Let's go
Okay.
back. Yes, it's the lost one. So if you look inside, look how beautiful
Super
this
cute.
is.
This
There's lots of them.
is fabulous. It's light.
It's good.
The
For us not to put much seasoning in it,
the sauteed.
it gave everything its flavor.
And the sauteed vegetables.
Mine don't even have that in.
It's like having an omelet, but
Without.
you put it in the oven without the work.
It's
You
delicious.
won't have to make this for your next brunch. Even to just meal prep for the week for breakfast. Save money by making it at home.
Save money.
For the week. Because we have goals, right? Financial, weight, all of that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this fabulous recipe.
Of course. Thanks for having me.
Yes, anytime. Tell the viewers where they can find you on social media.
I am BonAppéDee on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Yes.
Across all social media platforms.
Make sure you follow Dee. She goes to all the fabulous restaurants in the DMV area, gives her reviews and ratings, and you will not regret following her page. She's a fabulous cook. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.
Bye.